Hey, Ash Girl here. Today you have to listen another English conversation with me. Please listen carefully for this conversation. For better experience, use headphones. Feel free to watch this video multiple times, pausing after each sentence or phrase to repeat and practice aloud. Okay, come with me.
Hey Ethan. Guess what? I tried making a lasagna for the first time today.
That's awesome, Lily. How did it turn out?
Well, let's just say my lasagna ended up looking more like a leaning tower of cheese. It tasted delicious, but it definitely lacked architectural stability.
Haha, I can picture that. Sometimes food has a mind of its own. I once made scrambled eggs that were more like scrambled disasters.
Oh no. Were they too runny or too burnt?
Both actually. I couldn't find the perfect balance, so they ended up as a colorful blend of undercooked and overcooked eggs. I called them my abstract egg masterpiece.
Well, at least you can say you're a culinary artist, Ethan.
Oh, absolutely. Picasso would be proud of my egg creation. So Lily, what's your all-time favorite comfort food?
I'm a mac and cheese fanatic. The gooey cheese and perfectly cooked pasta just melt away all my worries. It's like a warm hug from a cheesy friend.
Haha, I love that description. Mac and cheese, the ultimate cheesy companion when life gets tough.
Oh, you got it, Ethan. And what about you? What's your guilty pleasure food?
My guilty pleasure is definitely pizza. The combination of crispy crust, tangy tomato sauce, and melty cheese is like a party in my mouth. It's my happy place, my pizza paradise.
Haha, I can see your enthusiasm for pizza, Ethan. You're a true pizza aficionado.
Absolutely. I should probably start a fan club for pizza lovers. We can call it the Cheesy Coalition.
Count me in. I'll be the vice president of cheese affairs. Together, we'll celebrate the wonders of pizza and spread cheesiness to the world.
That's the spirit, Lily. Now, have you ever tried cooking any exotic dishes?
Well, I attempted to make sushi at home once. Let's just say my sushi rolls looked more like abstract art pieces. They were a colorful mess of rice and seaweed.
Haha, edible art. That's one way to appreciate sushi from a different perspective. I admire your creativity, Lily.
Thanks, Ethan. I believe in embracing kitchen adventures, even if they lead to unconventional culinary outcomes.
Absolutely. And speaking of cooking, do you have any favorite cooking tips or secret ingredients to share?
One of my secret ingredients is a dash of whimsy. It adds that extra sprinkle of magic to any dish. Plus, it keeps the kitchen fun and entertaining.
That's fantastic, Lily. A touch of whimsy can turn an ordinary meal into an extraordinary experience. I'll be sure to bring some whimsy into my own cooking endeavors.
And don't forget the most important ingredient, a sense of humor. It's the secret sauce that makes cooking mishaps more enjoyable. After all, laughter and good food go hand in hand.
You're absolutely right, Lily. Let's keep the kitchen laughter simmering and continue our delicious adventures with a sprinkle of humor.